Shalom, Israel. This is Bishop Nathaniel. I want you to know that you can view all our Sabbath classes live on IUIC TV. That's right, I said on IUIC TV. Download the app today. Shalom.
Again, when you first came up, you said that you were black, right? If I asked you, sis, what's your nationality, what would you say? You're black, right? That's a byword that was given to us, right? You're African. You're from Ghana. Before they got to Ghana, and let me ask you, let me deal with that too, because some of us know where we're from. A very small majority of us know where we're from, but do you know how we got into Ghana? Right, because I'm gonna tell you the truth. I did look back too, and my people settled in Nigeria, right? But we came from Israel. That's where we came from. We came from Israel, right? And I'm gonna prove it to you. Watch this. Oh, all praise. Get that. Read.
This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 11 and verse 11. And it shall come to pass in that day.
In that day, meaning when Christ come back, right?
That the Lord shall set his hand again the second time to recover the remnant of his people.
So the remnant of Israel, right? Because we just stated that God's people are Israel, right? They're special and above everybody, right? God said he's gonna set his hand the second time to recover a remnant of his people. Watch where he's gonna recover from.
Which shall be left from Assyria.
Assyria, right? You know what Assyria is? Assyria is it's not Palestine. No. Iran, Syria, in that area. Absolutely. I didn't want to use that term because Middle East is not a true destination. Like, where's the Middle West? They use that. Hey, step on my brother. Let me talk to you. Hey, so they use that to separate Israel from the rest of Africa. That's the reason why now, when we think of Israel, my brother, when you think of Israel, what part of the world do you think it's in?
Shit, I forgot.
Exactly. That you see, my brother, he just said the Middle East. He just said the Middle East. But it's not in the Middle East. Bro, where's Egypt?
Africa.
Would you agree? It's right here in Africa. Do you know what this is right here? No, not. Yeah, that's Egypt. But right here, you know what this is? That's Israel. You can walk literally from Egypt into Israel. Israel is just northeast Africa, and they made the Suez Canal.
Yes, sir.
That's a man-made body of water to separate Egypt from Israel, and they coined the term Middle East. So when you heard of Israel, the first thing you think of is like his brother right here. It's the Middle East. How in the hell is everybody in that area like us, but then when you get to Israel, you just got some white people out of nowhere?
Break it out.
Don't even make sense, do it? They did that for a reason, psychological warfare against our people.
That's right.
Continue reading.
And to recover the remnant of his people, which shall be left from Assyria, and from Egypt, and from Pathros, and from Cush, and from Elam, and from Shinar, and from Hamath, and from the islands of the sea.
So we're everywhere. We're everywhere, right? But God said, that's the reason why, sis, we came from Israel. And 70 AD, Israel got overtaken, right? And we ran into Africa because we can blend in with the people there. And we just kept on going to the west coast of Africa, and that's where you get the slave trade from. West coast of Africa, right here, right? Because Ghana and Nigeria and Liberia and the Gold Coast of Africa, all of it is right here. It's where they took us from. Is this not our history? Watch this. Do you agree that this is our history?
What is a nation? Nation is family. Nation is community. Nation is men leading by example. Nation is women's support. Nation is children with role models. Nation is unity. Nation is you. It's nation time.
And finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord. His word